The self-loading concrete mixer is a multifunctional machine that combines the functions of loading, mixing, and transporting concrete in a single unit. These machines are ideal for construction projects that require mobility and efficiency, as they allow for automatic loading of materials, mixing them in a rotating drum, and pouring the concrete directly at the desired location. Some models have a production capacity of 4.0 cubic meters per load, with a drum that rotates up to 270 degrees and an integrated water tank for precise dosing.